Lucky. Today I have a special surprise for you. Here's Warren, a singer. Hello, I love to sing. Sorry, fans. Hi, I'm Warren. Today I love to sing. Do you watch my magical thing? So let's point onto anything we see. Point. This one has the words on it.
Nope, try another one.
This one?
That has a ridge on it. Try a flat one over by the Paw Patroller. Behind you.
We got Diamond.
Ooh, that's gorgeous.
This one?
Yes, that's fine.
We got Diamond.
Wow.
But she doesn't have a face. It's just a shiny diamond. That's the name of it.
Love it.
So let's put it right here. Let's do all of our Swinkies. So now time to do a My Little Pony pet carrier. Let's see which My Pony we got. Ooh, we got Rainbow Dash.
Turn it around and let us see. Ooh, Rainbow Dash.
Let's put her right here. See. Now it's time to see a Paw Patrol egg.
Let's see the front of it and see what the egg looks like. Wow.
Now it's time to see what's inside. We got a bracelet.
A beautiful bracelet. Nope, try this one.
We got a bracelet. Look.
That is gorgeous.
Let's put it right here next to the diamond. And what's this go? What's this go, Mom?
Yep, that goes together.
Now let's see an Arnold jam. What's this go, Mom?
These two go together. Find something to go inside of it, honey.
There's an Arnold jam.
Wow, Lauren.
Let's see what's inside. Maybe this, Mom. Wow, we got a troll with blue hair.
Let's see. Show your fans. Turn it around.
This is mine.
Yes. Well, she's using it right now.
Her name is Ninety.
I love that.
Her name is Nighty Troll. Okay, now can I watch it?
Okay, is that all of them? No, why don't you open all of them?
Okay. But make sure it doesn't. Your phone doesn't die out. Let's try to.
Make sure it doesn't die out.
Another emerald jam. We got Cakey Caker Shop.
Ooh.
This is an Arnold's jail, but it's more like a Shopkins jail.
Let's see.
You can also put it on your finger.
Wow.
Look, it has pink on it. Maybe.
Go potty?
Yeah. I'll be right back.
All right, little baby.
Piece of cake.
Nice. Okay, Kendall.
And now time to see a Shopkins.
Shopkins. Shopkins.
Wow, we got a Squinky.
Nice.
It's dolphin one.
Squinky's Dewdrops. Okay, what else do we have?
A Paw Patrol's egg. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, look. It's a teddy bear.
Aww. It's shiny, huh?
Yep. Let's put it right here. Next to Rainbow Dash. Oopsie. Now time to see a glue. A glue. We got a octopus. We got octopus.
Nice. Is it squishy?
Yeah. It's a 110 squish meter.
Ooh.
And Mom and fans what makes these kind of mashems so squishy? What makes them am squishy.
It's just the way they're made. They're stretchy and squishy.
Well, you can't stretch them.
Maybe not that one.
Now let's put it right here next to
I
the
don't have
dolphin.
pants
Okay. 2-year-old problems.
This is called Mickey Mickey's. And the dog and the kitten's name is Ruffle and Pino.
mine. That's mine.
No, it's mine.
What's that?
Bye, fans. Kind of